over in the afternoon and working in the evening.
Study English
And study English and Korean. In the for dinner, I like to eat meat and vegetable.
Classmate, my name is Maple. I want to talk about class. My favorite place is the sea. When I take a break, I go to visit Cap Province with my friend. We have planned to visit Cap Province for 3 days. And we book the house and we book taxi. We travel by taxi and have to spend 3 hours from work and then relax.